unpacking the phrase, fruit of the moment. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have come across, fruit of the moment. This expression is intriguing, and understanding it can add a delightful twist to your English communication. Let's peel back the layers together and discover the richness of this phrase. At first glance, fruit of the moment might seem like a simple, straightforward expression. However, it's not a commonly used idiom in English, and it appears to be a creative variation or a misinterpretation of more familiar phrases like fruit of the labor, or expressions related to seizing the moment, such as carpe diem. The idea of fruit in English idioms typically symbolizes results, rewards, or outcomes of one's efforts or circumstances. To fully grasp what fruit of the moment could mean, let's break it down. Fruit. In many English expressions, fruit metaphorically represents the outcome or reward of an action or series of actions. It's the tangible or intangible result of effort, be it positive or negative. Of the moment, this part suggests something that is relevant, important, or prominent at the current time. It speaks to the immediacy or the temporal significance of something. Combining these, fruit of the moment could be interpreted as the immediate rewards or outcomes of one's actions in the present, emphasizing the value or results that are realized right now. Given its unconventional nature, using fruit of the moment in conversation or writing might require some creativity. It could serve as a poetic or philosophical way to highlight the importance of the present, suggesting that the outcomes we're experiencing now are the direct results of our recent actions or decisions. Here's an example sentence. Let's savor the fruit of the moment, appreciating the peace and happiness we've cultivated with our hard work. This usage underscores the significance of enjoying or reflecting on the immediate results of our actions, especially those that bring joy or satisfaction. For English language learners, recognizing similar, more commonly used expressions can be helpful. Phrases like, fruit of one's labor, the results of one's hard work, or seize the day, to make the most of the present moment, convey related but distinct concepts. Understanding these can enrich your comprehension and expression in English. Thank you for joining us to explore the phrase, fruit of the moment. While it's not a standard English idiom, it opens up a beautiful avenue for poetic expression, emphasizing the immediate outcomes of our actions. We hope this video has enriched your understanding and appreciation of English expressions. Remember, language is a garden. Tend to it, and you'll reap the fruits of your labor, moment by moment. See you in our next video.